Hi, my name is Marsha Corby and I'm going to be your instructor for this class. I'm so excited for this next semester and glad that you're joining us. Whether this is your first online class or you've taken many, I've got a few tips and tricks for success in my class and really any online class that I'd love to share with you. First thing, 1, get ahead. Get ahead and stay ahead. How are you going to do this? By logging in every day. Now, sometimes students say to me, even on the weekends, yes, this is an online class. That's the beauty of it. I really expect that you're going to be logging in at least 30 minutes a day, if not longer, in order to get ahead. 30 minutes a day working on your assignments, checking in with me, things like that. So that's really crucial if you want to be successful. Next thing is you need to watch the videos. Now, I know sometimes students have a tendency to have multiple screens running. Trust me, I get it. I do the same thing. Here's the problem, though. Imagine if you're attending class and having multiple screens running at the same time. The TV is on while I'm lecturing, your phone is blowing up, your social media is going crazy. That is not setting you up for success. So please make sure you watch the videos. And in addition to watching the videos, I need you to take notes. Now, not just notes on like a scratch piece of paper. Let's think bigger picture. I'm talking about a notebook. So it would be great if you took pride in this. You would have a whole table of contents. You would have really pretty notes. Get color pencils, highlighters. Make this creative. This is going to be a great resource when you go to take tests because you're going to be able to refer back to that. So take notes. That's key. For number 5, you need to know when you don't know. That means that you should be able to do the questions without using the videos. So do the questions without videos. What do I mean by that? Well, when you have that help video and you're clicking it to watch the video and watch them explain the question, do not assume that you've got it. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. They watch the video, they just go through the question, and then they wonder why they don't do well on the chapter test or the midterm or the finals. So you need to make sure that you hit that little link that says try a similar question. Hit that and test yourself again. See, can you do it without the video? If you can't, that's a good indication that you do not understand that problem yet, and you need to put some more time into it. Last tip, number 6 is reach out. If you are stuck, please send me an email, send me a text on Remind, send me a message through More. We want to know that you are doing awesome or you're struggling. So please don't be afraid to contact your instructor and let them know that you are stuck and need some assistance. We would love to help. We're here for you. I hope we have such a great semester together. Please reach out if you have any questions. Like I said before, these are my tips and tricks. Let me know if you can think of any better ones. Bye-bye.